initial slot one, they're moving it closer to the bank. Oh, I know that. Whoa! You had to go big time, huh? Good enough. Do you have a leaf blower?
Yeah.
Maybe that'll help. Oh, this is 4 minutes. This is 14. Wow. 4 minutes As you look across the way, you can see how long that train is. The train has to be at least a mile long, if not longer than that. It had 3 engines pulling it. I don't see the end of the train yet. Gradually going through Moline. Oh no, Davenport. Davenport all right.
Now where I need some help is find a place to eat. Gift from my boss. Tennessee. He's a Tennessee guy. I mean, it's where they're.
Mike Grable was going to get himself in the movie. He compounded it by not telling the truth. You want to be coach? Huh? Well, it's good with the kids. It's good with the, as long as he keeps winning, yes. something interesting. With your mother. Your mother. I couldn't find that Dunbar gin. So let's do Costco. And Costco has gin. So how much is gin? How much are the good gin? Oh no, maybe it's good gin.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's only for buying the,
Oh no.
the Kirkland gin. Tanqueray is still a good gin. Now, if you were putting a Kirkland gin in there,
I don't think that is,
No, Kirkland gin, I know the vodka was made by Grey Goose.
come on, nuts.
How you doing, Carol? Getting all ready for the next session? Yep. You don't have to be there early, huh? What's the name between time to leave? What grade is he in? Is he the 8th grade? Wow. You all get streets like that?
Would you like to drink, Clarence?
Bourbon? What about bourbon? Well, I don't seem to be moving the bars very much. How you doing, kiddo? I'm doing good. I got one on, posted one video coming on. Oh, it's big. Okay, so it's not very, I'm gonna have to use
Maybe stop motion or whatever.
you can speed it up, make it look like a fast.
Time release, yeah. Time lapse.
I'm still learning how to do stuff like that.
We have some peppers. We have banana peppers and some good peppers.
Oh.
Coming out of the
I'm
large.
looking in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Well, my goal was to get a couple of raised beds for your mother-in-law, but that didn't work out. I was cleaning out the backyard.
Mm-hmm.
We got that cleaned up. Then we did the side, and then I was going to do that. And that didn't work out. So we have little critters in there trying to chew away.
Yeah, they're eating my collard greens. The collard greens that are in the fire pit are doing okay because they're covered completely.
Oh.
The tomatoes are getting lots of leaves, but not a lot of fruit yet. They have some flowers. So we'll probably see those in the next couple of weeks. The herbs are doing well. The chard in the raised bed's doing well. The squash is doing well. It's got some flowers out. The beans are doing okay.
Yep. The squash you're going to be able to hold in that plant?
And then we'll just put some things up, some trellising around it. That's it.
That was quite a train.
Oh, this morning.
Oh, God, it had to be over 1.5 miles long. I think it's, you know, very, it's like Egypt.
Oh, I didn't know you wanted
You
pancakes.
know,
We'll save them for another day.
Are you discriminating against me because of the age?
That's it. Totally.
Age discrimination? I don't even get any fruit. Whoa!
No, I haven't finished the fruit.
That's what opening.
What? That was rice and peas.
I'm a big rice guy now. Give me a big rice guy, yep. Since I made a rice cooker last year. I just cooked it, keep cooking rice. And the guy who I took a cooking class from said, the best time to cook the rice is the day before. And then, why? Because it holds itself better when you reheat it. That's his point. Especially with potatoes.
I think it is.
No.
Meaning you can cook them the day before.
And then,
Get them out of the way.
yeah, and put plenty of butter. Plenty of butter. Yeah. I like butter.
I think we like butter.
We like butter. Hey, yeah. We like butter. We like butter. But
Everyone likes butter.
because butter and salt. But salt is not good.
Neither. Do you need any assistance, husband?
Keep asking the same question.
Unless you want something to drink. Can I have some ginger drinks?
I'll get some more caffeine. I'll get two stuff. You know what I'm working on is rice pudding. Variations thereof.
Same position as last night?
Can go either way.